IGC News. Bema Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. Anuti say we can subscribe to the channel for more than say over subscribe. You be say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification where there's a video fufu be upload no also what's up FB. After we are one like video give us a thumbs up na fi share my offer so now when you be here now we are Koso Ghana anymore. Affiyie mbura nsemi nanu Dr. Bawumia Vice President ono aso da flag bearer ma MPP wo de nsibi Akoto na sebono but say government to make mobile phones accessible and affordable. Say mobile phones no be ma obiara ti bi na no koka say one phone companies no ebekọ apam na say one be into agreement na say phone no sa keep na say bosumi bia no wetua $1 cedi. I don't know where it's simply now they have a story no. I say government to make mobile phones accessible and affordable. The flag bearer of the new patriotic party, Dr. Bawumia, has announced plans to make mobile phones more accessible and affordable to everyone in the country. Dr. Bawumia was heard saying that the MPP government will collaborate with mobile phone companies to provide affordable smart devices to the public. We will make access to mobile phones affordable. We will partner with mobile phone companies to provide phones to the public so that every month you pay $1 cedi. By the time you finish paying the phone becomes yours. He noted. Not to say, the phone is 20,000. Not supposed to be out here $1 cedi. Well, how many years now which we do to our phone? Na ni semu wo de betu ga no e dey abranche baako wo de ensema tu ga wo kire se wo bia police wo de be dey ye use chete ye se hu nyanse bia di se ni pa no ba phone se 1,500 now se $1 cedi wa se how many years na depende sa stable ki iPhone na wi asara be ne dia na ye koti ya ensema ye abranche ni tu ga e fa ba o nyanse mo be kan yi on de wa bo to be kra nti ensema wo de etu nti ensema.
We will make access to mobile phones affordable. And the mobile companies, no, you're very home. Not Mafia, Montreal, $1 cedi, $2 cedi, $1 cedi, $2 cedi. Mobile phone before 8 years.
Make it 15,000. 15,000 Ghana cedis. So Nippon catch us every month, obey 2 Ghana cedis. The person is going to be 750 years. Say, oh, sorry. The American know 750 years. Multiplied by 2 will give you 15,000. And you say, Obabenya is a Metusela. Sani pan, Obabenya is Abraham. Say, oh, the Yakas when I was. Chabas is here, only was in Amos. Masma, I can don't joke with it.
I'm from Promas.
Okay, so me before me. 750 years to pay size count.
The Ghana, what did 750 years? What did 750 years?
So, over 10 1 cedi. And one I don't have the video in the name. In this video in the name, Madam say Abia a old and I shall he wants to be diabolic. He wants me to be hard on the vice president, the flag bearer for the new patriotic party. Oh, but me opportunity to one, Bawumia should come clear. Maybe your person can be the chair, but your Canadian NTS. I don't know if I'm making sense. Maybe your person can be the chair. As I know, can maybe I'm more mental than I say. Shabu, the primary responsibility of every government is to think about the welfare of his people.
Okay.
We are president, we are leader, we are politician, we are MP, we are minister. The reason why they voted for you is to change and impact the lives of the people. And since we did like you, how much one would know? And you come and implement and formulate policies for Ghanaians. Shabu, what says what Dr. Bawumia Kenya? I'm also totally confused about this particular matter. Let's hear you. I'm totally confused. I really want to understand what Dr. Bawumia is trying to paint. Picture no person paint. I want to understand it. Mentiasi. Mentiasi.
Yes, so Ofori away. Ofori who is he? Kofa.
Yes.
Number 3
Yes.
What you are 1 cedi, 2 cedi. What you are? Oh dear.
As my Dr. Bawumia can. Bible say what you now why? There's a many fata. As now walk. And who hear Ghanaians at this particular moment? I said, no, you see, if you are doing campaign, you should be strategic. You take the needs of the people. You touch the problems of the people. You say identifying the problem is part of the solution. If you're able to identify the problem, it's whereby you can give them solutions. But be a copy, I am not part of Ghana. Open region back one, what's a near come away that kind of region. Open by be back unemployment to that kind of region. And to Kwaku, he couldn't survey the geographical hemisphere. He couldn't look into the problems of the people and try to give them solutions.
Franco, honorable Ken, Kosa area.
Yes.
The Okacho almost say, more share better.
Yes.
Me ba many say.
Oh,
more ya farming. Me ba many say. Franco him say.
Yes.
Safon admit say.
Yes.
Dr. Bawumia HMA mo cry no ana. Kabadize me na phone ni yako. Uni ndia me say yako. Enche by September. Sa bagre dam no. Yes. Omebi ebetwa for me say omakwa the school dem. Bawumia onu MPP $40 million. Money.
Me say me na me nko no dem party da. Me le kwasi apia ya track in champo. Atraba bato ye kwa nimu sa shabu. Ye du ba bi se du bi. Ye du ye no. Inso yira fadan.
Yeah.
Obi abro nsan ye me say inso yira fa no. And then I was asking them, ye dina ye na me kwasi ni e pe bibia di. And jaman fo mu kwasi apia no be ku no na kochi na me bisa kai ba ko sa. Na ada dey ni serious. Oh. So white vote was a black vote bi. A yira fa so amana yi. A yira fa dan no shabu. Me so hwa man for dan o masisi mu krom a
School them.
Thank you. And as a leader, you identify the needs and the problems of the people.
I know said that a polygon purpose dam. One of them is a we know a container.
Thank you. Mama Bank of Ghana says Kakwa. Now, Shabu, what's your about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kana? I want to look at the picture of person creating. Brocha from Mohe no betting Abuame. Shabu, I know, and I've read. Say, be a brocha now, phone. Phone no bet me to any kaka say credit card was a day, no more the one, have you got into this kind of area, Ghana, for your do one? You do one as you know. Second, what say Bawumia critically? You say they are going to laser. What's up? Your friend is saying phone
manufacturing companies.
There is no manufacturer in Ghana.
Or there's no company manufacturing.
Never Ghana, and America manufacture in Ghana. Or mom cover phones in Bani retailers.
Maybe a Samsung phone or more be a South Korea or corner or now so much.
If we get to serious matter, be serious. Men acquire that don't speak for him, be serious. Just what can we say? They are going to laser with manufacturers and who will detro. Young people by me fact that I will detro. Ghana, they should tell me the manufacturing companies and manufacture phones for Kuma. See, or be a manufacture phones, no, or Tomana, a different, or be a retailer or phone Yaban, or Toma, a different. Every businessman is thinking about how to maximize profit.
Yeah.
The catch was a business people for the Christmas. Debbie. Over my catch was a shabby for 4 weeks, maybe 40 million. Made a mount, my mother train in 2 years. We went to in high purchase, no one trade with better times too. Because the person is a business person. The person looks into the future. Says, how for everyone can you panic one now? I'm giving to you for 2 years. 2 years, yeah. Then I have to spread it. What the members who try to crack? When the members who baby, you know, who calculating you what trade with better times 3 or more to the high purchase. Thank you. And every businessman is thinking about how to maximize profit. Some retailers, let's uncle for no, they are thinking about how to maximize profit. And as soon as Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, they are going to laser with manufacturers. One, it is wrong, and you're not correct. Manufacture by the Ukruma. Some uncle for now, Mokofa phones in Yabano, some uncle for retailers. They come into the public domain to sell their phones to get profit. And the whole crown a non-starter by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not true. Okay. Secondly, Sasada and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Mokadia, they are going to collapse businesses in Ghana. First of all, if you go to Europe, if you go to America, because their economy is robust, because the economy is national, because of their currency, there's no depreciation. Or currency, no, and 10%. The person can see, say, it is an unforeseen event there, but I'm giving myself 5 years. 5 years, you know, I didn't any panic on Airbnb, so it's not going to affect the person. Okay. And I don't money, mama, in this kind of period. Not near 3.8 Ghana cedis. Okay. After the exit of Don Dramani Mama on the 6th of January 2017, now a year 4.2 per the dollar. Yeah. Now, if I'm not some Orkan, Akufo-Addo take it over. it has moved from 4.2 to around 16 to 17 Ghana.
Yeah.
Shabu. So ask yourself, time I want you the phone amount. Every another dollar and 10 Ghana cedis in a phone amount. And I see you should. Now you're the person.
And what we do, I want to see what 4 years next year.
Remember, 10 Ghana cedis. Because of the economy, and stable. Because of Sidino, I'm more getting to me apart and me up our part dollar. The Kwaku says still the retailer will pass it to the consumer. And he see how far watch out and the demand to carbon. So Sabula Sisi will phone every 10 Ghana cedis per dollar and Akoto. Some people might say Kwaku and $1 near 12 Ghana cedis. I will say, master, you are not being truthful. Because they went to the Austin 10 Ghana. What the master 10 Ghana. Now, men call the man 12 Ghana. Ya can go because there will be a lot of inconsistencies. Now, secondly, because a dollar in Yan national, every businessman cannot plan. Every businessman he can plan. Yanimobia or the catch was or Kwaku $10 million. Such a dollar 10 Ghana cedis. Or can no money in every your sending Scandinavian. Yes, no money ban. They said dollar equal 12 Ghana cedis. Nippon Abwaka 2 cedis to be 2 cedis per product. So you multiply 2 cedis by $10 million. So as a business person, the business person and business idea. Secondly, in terms of longevity, how is it going to happen? Maybe I want to give you a simple calculation. Okay. The phone and a board for Techno, Infinix, Tinidim. Say ne, you want to say Techno and a board for 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now catch them and say, Mintia, 1,000 Ghana cedis. No, if I'm going to use ABR 1 Ghana per month, then I'm supposed to use 500 months.
500 months.
500 months to pay. So the baby and quite 2 cedis. Yeah. So a person already I just say you have 100 months. If I say 1,000 months, okay. 1 cedi no 1,000 months to make sure so make materials are can give. Or we say, or maybe iPhone 15 Pro Max. 15 Pro Max. So ni pana kwa 15 Pro Max no. Or convertible Ghana scammer is around 18,000. And I will not even make it 15,000. 15,000 Ghana cedis. So ni pana catch us every month obey 2 Ghana cedis. The person is going to use 750 years. Say, oh sorry. The Bawumia can know 750 years multiplied by 2 will give you 15,000. And you say any panel. Obabenya is a Methuselah. Say any panel. Obabenya is Abraham. Say, oh, the cast man I was. Say, I see only was in your most. My can don't joke with it. I'm from Promas. Okay, so me for me. 11 Pro. Okay. See, I'm going to say, what ton at 15,000? Every month, so 2 Ghana cedis. Means you are going to use 750 years. 750 years to pay size Kawi. The Ghana, what did it 750 years? What did it 750 years? So, over 1 cedi. We have 1,500 years. What the trace going to use? We have 1,500 years. Now, would you trace cell phone iPhone 15 Pro Max? Ask yourself, that time, Nippon Methuselah or John the Baptist, or I want to make Matnasia catch or say, Nippon estimate being 1,000. Now, we are so bad, 1,500. 750 names of being quite. So, Bawumia should come out clear with the policy. I don't get it. So, meaning only Methuselah can enjoy Bawumia's policy. I don't care idiot. Was it you? And he was explicit and emphatic. Was it? We went to Kaka 1 Ghana and 2 Ghana. He didn't go beyond 1 Ghana and 2 Ghana. Now let me ask you. Another one who said, Sanko for yes, almost 1 Ghana, 2 Ghana, make my afford. I want to minimum on a can I say, Shabu, Yagypong gives you so. Sadly, no person will. Is it going to be correlated to whom you are control and inquire? So control the talk from source. Yeah. Now, if because how are you going to do it? Say controller account general department workers in Kwabena. Yes. Already one got teacher for the pay to go. I know man say if say a controller, then we can say there's a benchmark. You pay 70%, we'll give you the phone. Then we spread the 30% in terms of months, then you pay. And now some man second, he was speaking to people or part of control. Then I made say he should come out clear with the policy. Secondly, how many private companies can go for this kind of facility for their people? Ghana, minimum wage is around 20 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And so budget from say Ghana, a lot of business people are there into private sector. They pay people below the minimum wage.
Every crab will be 5 and be 300 cedis.
Thank you.
And you'll be a 300 cedis. 1 cedi.
I want to Mensah. But anymore. This is how Ghanaians are. Remember, Ghana for Subanya. Ghana for a come, our attitude, a come. And if banks comes up, if financial institution comes up, it collapses. Chabu, Ghana, you need to go see a Mopabi in Petria.
We don't want to be credit worthy.
Thank you. Maman Casa, me. I've been a head of communication and marketing for Nobudri and Moranhafo. My young world of my include. Domain crew, ye feel could be Kofi-Addo crew.
Okay.
Kofi-Addo crew no, a border town to La Côte d'Ivoire.
Okay.
Gyamfi the Bianchemo. Yeah. Would you have network into which you go around? Okay. Almost the Bobby Canasio. So no more problem. I don't remember to say the few. Now, person Chinas or crosses are born. Echo could you interpret and knock up our channel the number. Just want to catch you. No police will do no, you have him or you didn't go with and you want to know jurisdiction. And you're doing it to work a million on you. One will give it out. Oh, buy ya. I'm yet to be. But I said, what it? But yet you say, the Panoquan money phone, no quality, you can say, Uncle Biddy, the phone. All right, remember who could go for a typical Ghanaian man should buy you. And Ghana, ask yourself, open new Kojibusa. You can remember empty and for us. Open me cut us and watch him. No, Kwaku Annan. None go for you. Yes, you. Among the Canaan and fee. I so what I would say about I bills. Nobody. I'm a quick credit. Quick credit. Let's say some cast a quick credit to bar. Oh, her mammy for me. Kwaku Annan. Or Jane do. They don't look at the conditions because of what watching. Or Jimmy no can't start using wood in the Philippines. Some pennies are not eligible in the Ghana for naturally. See a Kwaku DNA credit nasty tria. We feel pains about it. And even about me serious. He's even checked from Maslow. Maslow. Some Maslow they work with. Some any government facility. Uncle MTN for MTN was able to publish on more Modeka. Quick. It will surprise you. So Obi me catch us when you fly or more din. Shabu. Me say Obi me Kojibusian. Time no say so tia ontia. Bawumia na fresh Shabu. And my neck can be some hey, the phone could double number. I send him to so send it to a problem about my number. Mobia or the empty of worker or boo chip on a way. Oh, I see that is the mentality of Ghanaians. Ghana follow because of our attitude. Agypong Yekitaye will be Kotibusia on Peso Bitia. But me should go to the empty and quick room for no. Any banks that go mama facilities, into more mama facilities, he should go and check from them. If Ghanaians are willing. Say me omo jadu make me try na so muntimi ntua asa na waka no it is more like a carry facility. Yeah, again the basis say MTN force will be watching no mo born bosia no dem manipa no no be to say after nya ka just jack MTN for bosia your power je ntua. The person is making sure that he just want to collapse the company. That is the mindset of Ghanaians. But more should come clear because then na waka no. Who said that it is an unrealistic policy?
You're waiting for winning and somewhere here apparently the two guy Bawumia some our mobile phones or making it accessible. That's a possibility. I would hear 1 city and one apparently at 7 because all just what to be cry because so and our so when you subscribe or more than say over subscribe no one like it now feel so what share video ama offer so any be now one. Also, bet me actually what you have and some way you know a comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.